Okay, let's take the questions. Question number 1. Find the volume of a wall 5 times as high as it is broad and 8 times as long as it is high. Is 12.8 cubic meters. Full stop. Find the breadth of the wall. Question number 2. Find the length of the longest pole that can be placed in a room 12 meters long, comma 8 meters broad and 9 meters high. Question number 3. Find the number of bricks each measuring 24 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 9 by 8 centimeter required to construct a wall 24 meters long, comma 8 meters high and 60 centimeter thick.
Sir,
Yeah,
in second question, 8-meter broad and
9 meters high.
okay, sir.
If 10% of the wall is filled with mortar. Come on, do this question. Let me see how will you solve this. I just tell me the answers. Okay, Satvik. Zero point 0.4, which one? Yeah, third one, that's correct. Good, very good. Yeah, 0.4 second one is right. Yeah. Yeah, first answer, yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's do this questions. So first one, the volume of a wall 5 times as high as it is broad. Okay. Okay, fine. So they say that, let me do this question. The length of the longest pole that can be placed in a room. Suppose this is a room. So longest pole is nothing but a diagonal. Okay, I think you agree with my point. What's the formula for diagonal? Under root L square plus B square plus H square. Come on, find out.
Sir,
Length.
is it 17 meters?
Yes. Length of the longest pole is equal to this. That is the length of the diagonal of the room. Okay, come on. We'll go for the next question. This was the question number 2. Let's go for the question number 1 and then 3. 1. So they say that the volume of the wall is 5 times as high as, so volume is 5 times as high as it is broad. Okay. So the volume of a wall, comma, there is a comma there, the volume of a wall, comma. Okay. 5 times as high as it is broad. So if I take breadth as x, so height will become 5x. Okay. And 8 times as long as it is high. So so length would be 8 times of the height, that is 40x. So breadth is x, height is 5x, and length is 40x. How? The volume of a wall, comma, that means there it ends. Now see the next point, 5 times as high as it is broad. So if I take the breadth as x, so height will be 5x, and 8 times as long as it is high. So that means if the height is 5x, the length will be 8 times of that. So 8 into 5x, 40x is 12.8 cubic meters. So the volume is 12.8 cubic meters. So what is the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Now please find out the x value in this. Yeah. So x is equal to 4 by 10 because 64 is 4 cube and 1000 is 10 cube. So 4 by 10 the whole cube. So this would be out and x would be 4 by 10, which is inside the bracket. So 0.4 or 40 centimeters. Okay. 0.4 if I say like meters, this is in meters. So they said that the breadth of the wall and everything here is in terms of centimeters. Why? Because this was cubic, sorry, this was cubic meters. So 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4. Okay, just meters. We can write this as meters. That is 40 centimeters. Understood, because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. All of you finish this, we'll go for the next question. I think all of yours exams are going to be till May end only. Seeing the situation. This year is very unlucky year. Yeah, I told it may be beyond that also. Now today's news is CLAT has been gone to CLAT exam, which was scheduled to be like conducted in the month of May. Second week has gone to June. Yes, June 21st. That is what I'm saying. Relax, people, relax. World is fighting for life, not for career and money. Okay, so relax. Yesterday I saw in United States they are going to close the colleges and universities for one complete year. Okay, no college, no university. Sit at home and study. Such things are going on. What to do? Now people want to survive. Yes, that is what I got the news today. Satvik shared with me. What to do? This is very horrible. Now if we are preparing and again it gets postponed, what will be the interest of preparation? People don't understand, not time, we are getting extra time, additional time. No, we want the output and just move on. That's it. Okay, next question. Find the number of bricks each measuring. So the dimensions of bricks are given. This brick is brick, will be rectangular. That will be cuboid. And see, they are asking you number. So I'm going with the question down. So this is question number 3. Okay. So they are asking you find the number of bricks. This is the question. And bricks measurement is given. It is a cuboid, length, breadth and height. Okay. That is 24 by 12 by 8. So they are asking you find the number of bricks each measuring this length, breadth, height, required to construct a wall 24 meters long. How much bricks you require, how many bricks you require to construct a wall. Okay, I've learned perfectly how to draw. So how many bricks are required to construct a wall, and the wall is 24 meters long, 8 meters high, 60 centimeters thick. So it can be like, we can go for a small this thing. Okay, okay, whatever it is. Fine. Okay, I'll draw a neat one. So length, breadth, height is like 24, 12 and 8, and this is a brick here. Learning how to draw. 24, like 12 and 8, and there's again a wall you need to construct. Or let us keep like a simple wall also would work. ऐसा एक वॉल बनाना है आपको. वॉल का डायमेंशंस जो है वो आपका दिया हुआ है 24 मीटर्स लॉन्ग, 8 मीटर्स हाई. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ना 24 मीटर्स लॉन्ग, हाइट जो है 8 मीटर्स है और 60 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है ना, ये थिकनेस ही होता है. ठीक है, और ये हाइट ही होता है. ठीक है, तो चलो अब आपको ब्रिक्स, अच्छा अब आपको क्या चाहिए वॉल बनाने के लिए? ब्रिक्स उसमें यूज करना है. तो कितने ब्रिक्स चाहिए आपको, यही आपका क्वेश्चन है. हाउ मेनी ब्रिक्स यू वांट टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ वॉल विथ सो एंड सो डायमेंशंस, लेंथ, हाइट, ब्रेड. इफ 10% ऑफ द वॉल इज फिल्ड विथ मोटर. अब ये वॉल जो है ये 100% ब्रिक्स से कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं होता, इसमें 10% मोटर है. सही, लाइक दिस, ऐसा कर लो. 10% मोटर, 90% ब्रिक्स. अब इसमें 90% ब्रिक्स चाहिए आपको. ठीक है, चलो तो लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स टेक द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल. सो आई विल गिव यू द फॉर्मूला, अगर आप करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वॉल divided by volume of one brick. That's it. So जितना कैपेसिटी का आपका वॉल रहेगा, ठीक है ना, जो भी कैपेसिटी है इसका वॉल का, वॉट एवर द वॉल्यूम दिस इज, डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक विल गिव यू नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स. दैट्स इट. A volume, total volume of wall తీసుకొని, like how many bricks are required if we want. So one brick volume, whatever you have, if you divide with this total volume of the wall, you will get number of bricks. So for that you need to find out the volume of the wall, but be cautious here. Be cautious here, okay? Don't go blindly. Volume of the wall you cannot take 100%, you need to take 90%. So 90% of the volume of the wall, which is 24 meter, I'm converting into centimeters, 2400 centimeters into 800 centimeters into 60 centimeters divided by, that is length, breadth, height, into divided by volume of one brick, that is 24 centimeters into 12 centimeters into 8 centimeters, and this you should take 90% and solve the particular question and get me the answer. This was the key formula. In any surface areas volumes problem, if they ask you number of something, number of bricks or something like that, so volume of the total thing which you are constructing divided by volume of one thing which is needed for the construction. Come on, do this and tell me the answer. Yeah, 45,000 bricks are required, correct. Shall we go ahead? Answer is 45,000. You can calculate. I'm writing more 3 questions you need to solve. Yeah, maybe. So I'm saying you relax. Real relax people, take it easy. टेंशन मत लो. आराम से पढ़ाई लिखाई करो. ठीक है. Take the next
Okay,
question.
sir.
Hmm. चलो ये दो क्वेश्चंस करके बताओ. अच्छा एक और क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ छोटा सा. नहीं ये करो चलो. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. आई एम गिविंग इट पर्पसफुली. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस होता. करके बताओ. कम ऑन डू दिस. 2 मिनट्स अभी मैथ करो. Okay, what's the answer? Any one of you got any answer? So let's do the first question in this. They have given the diagonal of a cube. So you know the diagonal of a cube is root 3a. That is, sorry, diagonal of the cube is 6 root 3. Just a minute. Yeah. So cube. So diagonal of the cube is 6 root 3. You know that is equal to root 3a. So you'll get edge of the cube. Yeah, you'll get edge of the cube. With this, you'll get edge of the cube. Okay. So since you can get the edge of the cube, A is equal to 6. Now what is the volume of a cube? A cube. And they're asking the surface area. Again, that is 216. That is 6 into 6 square. Come on, finish this. We'll go for the next question. हेलो मम्मी को दो फोन. हाँ, तरंग को कॉल करें. हाँ, तो वो मेरे को मैसेज करिए अभी, कॉल कब कर रहे हैं मैडम, तो वापस करो, वो रेडी है, उसको मैसेज कर दो कि आई एम रेडी फॉर द क्लास. ठीक है. हाँ, ओके ओके ओके. हाँ हाँ. What about the next one? Just a minute. Okay, now let's see how it goes. So there is a rectangular block. So a rectangular block is like 6 centimeter by 12 by 15. So we can say length, breadth, height. Okay, they have not said what is that actually. They have given a rectangular block, so we can understand like length, breadth, height. ऐसे ही होता है ना, like longer side length होता है. तो जो भी है, they have given it. Is cut up into exact number of equal cubes. Find the least possible number of cubes. So first, like if they are asking us find the least possible number of cubes. Least possible number of cubes के लिए. So first of all, number of cubes find करना है आपको. This is what is in the question. Okay. So volume, first you need to find out the volume. So this particular number of cubes is nothing but volume of block by volume of one cube. Okay, volume of block by volume of one cube. So let's see here. So volume of the block is L into B into H. So let's take that. So volume of the block, 6 into 12 into 15. 15 6 are 90, 12 9s are 108. So 1080 will get. Next. Yeah. So next one is they are asking you find the least possible number of cubes. Least possible number of cubes will only be possible with a cube. Okay. They have given like a rectangular block is cut up into exact number of equal cubes. Okay. Find the least possible number of cubes. So you know, if you want to find out the volume of a cube, the formula is a cube. So you require a. Okay. So how will you get the a? And in a cube, like, all the sides are equal. Okay. So what shall we do now? Find the least possible number of cubes. So you should find out the side of the largest cube. That means some cube which may have the largest side. So with the largest cube, you can get least number of possible cubes. Okay. Suppose 1080 by 10 is nothing but 108 cubes. But 1080 divided by, suppose 12, you'll get 90 cubes. So the higher, okay, so if you have like this particular 12, I'm just saying, okay, suppose, okay, let it be. So if you want to, yeah, see, like suppose it is 10. So if the denominator is small, okay, you will be getting a higher number. If the denominator is big, you'll be getting a smaller number. Okay. So they are asking you, find the least number of cubes. For least number of cubes, you should have a cube with the biggest side or biggest dimension. Okay. For that, you need to find out the LCM of this, because this wall is cut into equal number of cubes. This wall or this block is cut into equal number of cubes. So now I'll find the HCF of this. HCF is 3. So this is the side of the largest cube, okay, because it is the HCF, highest common factor, greatest possible number. So now I got the A. So A is nothing but 27. A cube is 27 because A is 3. Now number of cubes is nothing but volume of the block, 1080 divided by volume of one cube, 27. So you get 40 possible cubes, 40 least possible number of cubes. Okay, that's one. Do this. Take more 3 questions after this. Next question. If the capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848 meter cube and the diameter of its base is 14 meters, then find the depth of the tank. Next question. I think I gave one more question, no? Have you done that? Yeah, do this third question. Come on, I'm waiting fast. The surface area of a cube is given 1734. Okay. So you know the surface area formula is 6a square. With this you can find out the a value, and whatever the a you get, okay, that a you can take and find out the volume. Okay, is that true? Yes. Let us see how you go about it. A square is equal to 1734 by 6. That's going to be 289. A square is equal to 289. A is equal to 17. So now you got the edge of the, you got the side of the cube, okay, or edge of the cube, whatever you want you can say, okay, because the edges are what are the sides of the cubes, and a cube is the volume, so 17 cube is going to be 4913. Okay, yeah, we'll go for the next question. We'll give you one more question, then we'll wind up. We'll do tomorrow. Next question. If each edge of a cube is increased by 50%, find the percentage increase in its surface area. Come on, do this. Last two questions. Twelve. Which one is the capacity of a cylindrical? Okay. Yeah, it's correct. 12. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Okay, the capacity of, see, you whenever you hear this word called capacity, it means volume. Okay, yeah, yeah. So volume, it means volume. So it's very clear, like they are speaking like for us to find the depth of the tank. Depth is nothing but, see, it is a tank. They are asking depth, that is nothing but height. Okay, so we got the hint, and the capacity formula is nothing but the volumes formula. 2 pi r square h is equal to, how much is that given? 1843. You know, the radius r is the diameter they have given, it's a cylindrical tank. So they have given the diameter as 14, and diameter by 2 is radius, that is 7. So we've got the radius 7 square, pi is 22 by 7. You need to find out the height. Now go ahead with the calculation and get me the answer, and we'll go for the next question then. Fast. Next question. If each edge of the cube is increased by 50%, okay, so if we increase the edge by 50%, suppose the edge is a, so suppose the edge is a, okay, edge is nothing but side, okay, because all sides are equal in this. So the original surface area is 6a square. But what are they saying now? They're saying that if you increase the edge by 50%, so new edge, अब suppose it is 1a, 1a का 50% is 0.5a, so a common 1.5, so 1.5a, can I write 1.5 as 3 by 2a? Yes. So new edge is 3 by 2a, that is 50% increment, na? Yes. So now new area, new surface area is equal to 3 by 2 a the whole square. That is like, can I say 6a square? So 6 into. So 6 into 9 by 4 a square. And this would be 3 and 2. And 27 by 2 a square. Okay. Now what are they asking us? Find the percentage increase in the surface area. That is what is their question. So percentage increase is nothing but the new figure 27 by 2 a square minus the old figure 6a square by 6a square into 100. We've already seen when we did the data interpretation questions. Percentage change or percentage increase formula. New value minus old value by old value into 100. Can you tell me the answer? So here let us like a square पूरा cancel कर दो. And like 6 2s are 12. 27 minus 12 कितना होता है 15. 15 by 2 into 6 into 100. तो अभी क्या करेंगे इसमें 3 like 5 3s are 2 3s are. एंड अभी ये जो होगा ये 425 में जाएगा. 25 5s are 125%. Okay. Sure. This is the increase in the this is the increase percent in the surface area. Okay. Because see, when you increase the dimension, the surface area also increases. So the increment is of how much? 125% in terms of percentage. When you increased your surface area by 50%, when you increased your side or edge by 50%, of course your surface area would also increase. And that in terms of percentage, when you found out, that is equivalent to 125% as per the questions data. Okay. So see you tomorrow. I am not sending any questions to you related to volumes because I am supposed to finish more questions. Tomorrow we'll be doing, but areas I have sent you lots of questions. Solve them. Okay. And don't worry about doubts within, because next class number series and clocks will be doing. We are however able to wind up the the chapters. Then we only have time for doubts. So we'll be doing doubts. Okay. Only doubts and then mocks and paper discussion. Okay. Sure. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.